Hello, my name is Kayla. I'm part of the team here at America's Home Place. We are in our Notley home, located in Asheville, North Carolina, and we'll be talking about some frequently asked questions that you might have about building a new home. What are the advantages to building a new home over buying an existing one? Being able to build a new home means that you get to pick the location that's right for you, a floor plan that accommodates your lifestyle, and that personal touch that makes it yours. This is something that can all be achieved through building that you always have to compromise on when you're buying a new home. How can I begin the custom home building process while I have a home to sell? The first step is always visiting your local America's Home Place office. They will be able to guide you into what that build process looks like and what to expect when you're building a new home. We'll also work with you to find the floor plan that's the right fit and help you narrow down those first steps in getting started. Does America's Home Place offer financing? America's Home Place does not offer financing. However, every office works with preferred lenders who would be able to provide you with a construction loan and answer any of your financing questions. What does my credit score need to be in order to build a new home? Well, there's no one answer. There's no specific credit score that qualifies you to build a home. You would really need to speak with a lender who's able to provide a construction loan. That's why it's so important to talk to your local office about who their preferred lenders are so that they can give you some insight into what your construction loan pre-qualification might look like. Can land be financed within my home loan? Yes, absolutely. Many lenders do offer a land home package for folks that are out there looking for a piece of property and have the intention to build. What is included in the base price of the homes? Our base pricing reflects the cost to build that home you're looking at turnkey with all of our exceptional standards that are listed out in our description of materials. What are the additional costs to building a new home? Outside of the base price of each home, which gives you a turnkey reflection of all those standards, you're going to have your land costs and you'll have modifications. Land costs are always lot specific. They depend on the home that you pick and on your property. The modification part is where we have all that fun. It involves changing the layout, moving a window from one wall to the other. It can involve adding a covered porch that you want to have coffee on in the mornings. There's all sorts of modifications you can do to our homes to make them right for you. Thank you for taking the time to learn about America's Home Place. We hope that this video and some of these questions gave you an idea of where to get started for your new home. We hope to see you at a local office, and any questions you have, you can find us online by visiting our website at americashomeplace.com.